What's up? Welcome to today's live stream. I'm him. It's January 16th. It's a Thursday. I have 59 minutes before my next meeting. So I'm going to try to get some stuff done. Now for that meeting, let me get some other things set up right quick. Where's my mouse? I had to disable that continuity mouse crap because it would always go over to my other laptop and I would lose my mouse, or sometimes it would get stuck on my iPad somehow. It's annoying. Excuse me. I am going to use ChatGPT to do something today. And I have full confidence that this is going to work because it's the one thing that ChatGPT is good at, mimicry. Or mimicy. It is mimicry. All right. It's good at that. So here's what I have. I have some stuff that I did yesterday. This right here. Oh my gosh, come on. Read me. All right. Remember the format and style. Okay, and then we can say content. Update your memory. Content is markdown. And we'll give it another command. Excuse me. full. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have it try to, I'm hoping they can figure this out. Maybe I had a little bit too much confidence coming into this. I'm now thinking about it. I'm like, oh, maybe it won't work. We'll see. All right, so update the format and style to match the format I shared. Change the header names as appropriate. I'm not gonna tell it exactly what I want. Nah, never mind. I don't have to play games with this. Currently property accessors. But they need to be the name of the property instead. Use your judgment to figure out the correct name. And don't worry, I can fix issues later. So we'll say this is what needs to be updated. To update. See what it can do. Whoa. Oh wow. Oh, okay. This is new. Interesting. Okay. Event type. That's wrong. But whatever. Event ID. That's wrong. It should just be ID. Event time, but you know, it's fine. It's fine. Whatever. I can deal with this. I'm starting to wonder if it would have been faster for me to just do it myself. It's kind of slow. Write something? Okay, I can't copy this. Okay, I guess I can copy it now. So this is event data. I'm gonna put it above. And I gotta check to make sure that it didn't change anything. Event kind, event ID, timestamp, date time, app ID, event subscription. Okay, device type. Event subscription ID, event OneSignal ID. I also want to make sure it didn't change the descriptions. I'm not saying the descriptions are what I want them to be right now, but I don't want to. Okay, doc users. Oh, wait. Okay, all right, yeah, that's fine. All right, I guess. I don't really have high trust in this ChatGPT crap, but it looks okay. It actually did the style of whatever. Let me make sure that this content is indeed the same before I delete. So we have sent, the push email, SMS subscription, push email, receive a subscription, 600 delivery. It's kind of, all right, let me make this a little bit more narrow. I'm scanning a little bit too far. If I can just hide this part, that would make my life a little bit easier. I naturally want to read that. Okay, yeah, it looks like it kept. Oh no, it didn't. It changed things. See, this says the event ID generated by OneSignal. The unique event ID generated by OneSignal will have a unique ID. Okay, it did change stuff. The human readable time of the event in UTC, specifically an ISO string like. Okay. Don't change any of my original content except for the headers. I thought I made that clear to only do that, the format, except for the headers and to match the formatting. Oh my gosh. See, if I hadn't actually gone through and looked at this, oh wow, oh okay, just, all right, that's cool. Yeah, if I wouldn't have gone through and looked at this, I could have like had a mistake. I just noticed that it changed this too. I didn't ask it to change anything. This is really slow. I don't know. Someone at OpenAI was like, "Oh, we should invest in animations to make people feel like it's actually performant, but in reality, it's slow as hell. It's not tricking me." Okay, let me make sure that this is indeed what it was before I waste my time again. User ID set to one signal, user, yeah. Subscription, iOS, SMS, etc. Okay, push email. Apple display to the user card. The event ID generated by each. Okay. All right, cool. This is the same content. I didn't write this content. That's why I'm not just going to change it. I'm just coming in and making it presentable and consistent with some of the other things that I just worked on yesterday for the same team. Okay, so I think I can delete all of these now. What just happened? Did I not just... Fuck, I hate README. Oh my gosh. It's hard for me not to have some level of animosity for a designer that overloads concepts. We are in a text environment where selecting text is very common, yet for whatever reason, when you try to select text, it could also move the text around. That breaks, what people expect from a text editing environment. They're trying to reinvent the wheel instead of just, like, maybe they should have a different view for organizing content over selecting text. All right, this is going to be type. So this will be the ID, which, wait a minute, what the fuck? I just, I know I'm fucking right. Like, you don't have to tell me I'm right. I think ChatGPT is built for dumb people. I don't care about being right. I just need the result to be what I need. Like, don't fucking gaslight me. No, you're right. No one gives a shit. Yeah, I think it probably would have it would have been faster for me to just do this. It would have taken me like 10 or 15 minutes to do this. It would have been right the first time. This is the thing that's going to replace me. And we're still going, okay. It's literally copy and paste. It doesn't even have to think. The content's there. You just like dump it. It should be in the buffer. You don't have to. It seems like it's generating it every single time when it's there. Just use it. And here it did it again. It changed the content. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's done it again. Okay, this is very annoying right now. Oh yeah, I forgot it. Waste. Yeah, they don't know how to use the space in your browser. This is poor design. This is piss poor design. Like, it's yeah, sure. Yes. Let's just waste all this space, infinite wasted space. All right, so I have to go back and forth to make sure that the stuff isn't changed again. User reported email. See open. Okay. All right. The event ID generated. Human readable event in UTC. I thought that said Unix timestamp last time. Event kind set. Oh, further down. How come it doesn't show me the full? It's not showing me the full thing that I pasted in here. A human readable time of entity. Okay, so it is that. Okay. All right. Just have to make sure. Okay, I think these can be deleted now. Sure, yeah. I wish I could be an engineer and build stuff like this and get paid to do it. I had to build good things that worked. It sucks. Timestamp of the event, time of the event. How are these different? All right, time to do the song and dance again for this right here. But before I do that, maybe I should copy all of this. Okay, we're gonna try to do the same thing for this one. It should be smart enough to, oh yeah, okay. Like it should be smart enough to remember all of the back and forth I've just did. Message updates is on to keep you informed and includes part of ID, okay? Message UUID, to message array, name of the message, proper property, the contents of the place of property clubs 50, okay? Typical ID, message launch URL where debugging. Message launch URL, message URL, okay. Make sure all of this is the same. Claim 50% off. And message heading to message. Template UID of set to message. URL. Okay, all right. This is good. I can go with this. And we'll do new content. Oh, I was about to say, I just figured. Okay, all right, I'm done. Is it actually deleting? Oh, it's not. Okay. All right, and then user properties. This is why I did this, so that it would be consistent with all of this stuff that I did yesterday. So I did this yesterday. We will do that. guess that's. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna go to this here, and I want to use that reusable content I just created. Reusable user properties. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait. No, I can't do that. I forgot. It's a subset for right now. It will eventually be what it needs to be. All right, let's come here. Event streams data. Huh? Wait, whoa, what? Wait. What did I just do? Yo, what's up, Casual Comics? How you doing? Streams message. Oh, wait a minute. I never. Huh. I don't know what I've done. Why did I do that? Let's message data. Huh. Interesting. All right. Well, we'll do that. Okay. So we're gonna have message properties. That will be the ID. This will be the ID. Object. Yep. All right. Let's update that. All right, perfect. You know what? I'm gonna put a I'm gonna prefix it so that the anchor works the way that I want it to work. So we'll call it event ID, even though it's redundant. Why is there this line right here? That's wrong. Delete that. Okay, right there. Make sure there are no weird ass lines anywhere else. Okay, yeah, we're good. Make sure that my TLC is what I want. Message ID, event ID. Yeah, so now I can link directly to these. Oh, subscription ID. Why are there two? Subscription properties, user properties. Oh, God. Oh, I see what I've done. I have made a mistake. Subscription properties. These don't belong here. Let me delete these. Yo, what's up? I don't speak Japanese, but one of the characters looks somewhat familiar, although not really. If it were Rin, here, I'll show you the character. It looks familiar to me. Oh wait, hold on, I didn't do it. That's the one. I've never seen two legs. What does that say? Let's see here. Did I already delete? Oh, here we are. Subscription properties. Take the rest of these, pull them out, update that. Use new content. So this has already been edited, so I don't have to do it again, which is great. But I'm confirming that the types are all accurate. Yeah, they're right. Cool. data, subscription properties. Okay. Alex. Wait, Alex from work? If so, then yes, I do know who you are. If you're that Alex. But if you're the other Alex, the one who I assume you used to live in Houston, and you had a TRD Pro, if you're that Alex, then what's up? I haven't seen you in a minute. Or maybe you're the other Alex, who I used to work out with, and who's a cousin of another friend of mine. Or maybe you're the other Alex that I know in San Antonio. I don't know. I know a lot of Alexes. I know a lot of Alexes. Now, if you're like, I'm Alex T, I'll know who you are, because I normally keep people by their last names. Okay, subscription ID. Okay, I guess we're gonna have. Why do we have more than one subscription ID? I'm confused. Subscription. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. Why is the subscription ID on two different things? Yeah, I don't care. It's fine. I'm done with what I need to do. Let me let some folks know that they're good. I used to see them. Are you in Japan? Because if so, isn't it late? I think y'all are what, 11 hours ahead of me? Or is it 12? I think it's 11. It's either 11 or 10, depending on the time of year. I plan to go to Japan. I was going to go last year. I canceled it. And I'm saying I'm going to go this year, but that's very much dependent on if I'm on track to hit my goals for the year. That takes precedence these days. Oh, you just changed to Japanese? Oh, okay. All right. Well, I'm sure you can understand my confusion then. Okay, yeah, this is done, I think. So I'm gonna go ahead and close that. I only have 20 minutes before my next meeting. So I'm definitely not about to try to get any meaningful work done. But what I can do is do this stuff in Flutter that I need to, well, not in Flutter, there's Xcode specific stuff that I need to do. So we'll just, what we got here? Open runner, XC workspace. I'm like, it's taking forever. I'm hearing some weird ass noises now. It's weird. All right, yeah, so here is a Flutter thing with some Flutter stuff in it. Or no, this isn't the Flutter thing. This is the Flutter thing. Oh, the meeting, that starts at 12, and it's not a meeting, it's our all hands. I guess it is a meeting. I mean, it's not really luck. It's just, I'm going to sit there and listen, and, you know, that's it. And it takes place during my lunch too. So halfway through it, I'm going to get up and go eat. I'll just have it because I play it through the speakers. I can just listen to it from a distance, put it on any one of the monitors or any one of the phones or the iPad, and just take it with me. Okay, so there are a couple more things that I need to do with this. Oh, excuse me. We have our push notifications. Can I move it up? Nope. So I'm going to add push notifications first, then the background modes, and then app groups. I'm going to redo all of the stuff that you're looking at me do. That's what's happening here. So I can take screenshots so that I can, you know, make sure that it actually works. So that kind of thing. Let's go ahead and add a new capability. We're going to do app group so we can do some data sharing as well as getting notification delivery confirmations. Mouthful. Welcome back, by the way, if you are coming back after a while. I don't really do my dev vlogs. I imagine that's what you're referring to. I don't really do the dev vlogs anymore. I've mostly transitioned to my virtual co-working, where, you know, like right now, if you have questions about certain things, about, you know, customer engagement, push notifications, web push notifications, email, SMS, or just how to market to people, I can probably help. I can also probably answer a bunch of questions on iOS, Swift, UI, Swift in general, Flutter. Not really. I mean, I know Flutter enough to do my job, but I don't really like it. .NET, I know .NET a lot. C#, Rust, Go, Ruby, if you're into that. Python, I don't really like Python, but I know it. I had to deal with it. Same at Ruby. It's an interesting little language there. I had the wrong capability. I thought I did app group, but then it did something else, App-attest. App-attest allows you to verify that an iOS app connecting to your server is legitimate. Okay, fine. Okay, app group. Oh, never mind. These are done alphabetically. Ooh. Wait a minute, are they? Is this new for the newest version of Xcode? Push notification, background modes. Okay, okay, all right, fine. So I might be able to use all of this. I may not even have to document this. Yeah. I think this is all going to be the same thing. There will be an additional step where you have to come and command click or right click. Does command click not work? Option click. Wait, option click doesn't work anymore. What the hell? That's interesting. This has nothing to do with my build. I mean, I'm on Xcode, what, 16? Quick help when option click. Yeah, when did they change that? Well, restart your Mac. Interesting. Oh, is it control click? It's control click then. I wonder if it's my keyboard. I need to do this on a Mac. I'm sorry, on a Mac keyboard. I have a laptop over there. I need to make sure that this is indeed control because I'm on a Windows keyboard. So I don't know if this is sending control. Actually, I can see if I do control space. Yeah, that's control. Yeah, that's control. That little icon at the bottom right there, if you can see it. That's this is option. All right. Okay. All right. So it's control click. Good to know. So yeah, I'm gonna have them control click on this to be able to convert this to a not this, right? So when you add it, it's gonna be a different color, this blue color, which is great for people who are colorblind. But yeah, you can convert it to a group. I'm right clicking because I'm on a mouse, but some people use laptops for whatever reason. And there is no right click on a laptop. You can double click. I mean, you can set it up where you do 2 fingers and that'll send a context click. But I find that I just have to tell people to do control or option, that kind of thing. Okay, so we got an app group, and then we're gonna have to name the app group something, which it already exists, but I had to find in this tiny list of things, because Apple in their infinite design wisdom have decided that this is a great way for people to find information. There's no search. That would make too much sense. Oh my gosh, this is pitiful, Apple. My disdain for them is because I'm deeper than your average person in the Apple ecosystem. So I have all the things I've done development. Here we are, development for it. And it's just a pain. DevRel, group identity verification, that one signal. Group identity verification, that one signal. Okay, yeah, that's the group. And I gotta make sure that this, okay, sure. One signal, DevRel, identity verification, one signal service extension. I gotta add this to the group too. Cannot be registered to your development team. Oh, okay. Well, I don't know why it always selects a different one. Why can't it? Oh my God, never mind. It's Apple, of course. That's why I can't, because Apple. You have to drink the Kool-Aid and be high on LSD to really get it. All right, we're gonna. It should find the app container, but it's not. So, okay. All right, sure. I have to click on something for it to pop up. There we are. All right, build that up. Bill Feld, huh? Generated X. Oh, wait a minute. I'm not supposed to build it this way. I'm tripping. Let's come back into here. Do it on this iPhone 16. Oh, whoa. I can't do that. I can't do that. I gotta stop the app and uninstall it too. Another thing I need to try is setting this to 13 and then going back into my Xcode project and setting that to whatever the default was and making sure that still works. And that's so that I can make sure I tell folks this is the minimum platform you need on Flutter. Right now I'm using 15, but maybe I should be able to use 12 or 13, maybe. I think that the team wants to use Xcode, not Xcode. They want to use iOS 13 because they want to use some of the later features in Swift, which is only supported later versions. Oh, here we go. Cool. So allow. Okay. If I'm not mistaken, this app is like 4.4. Oh, yeah, there we are. 4C. All right. Come into our subscriptions. This is most likely it right here. We've accepted. Take this ID. We're going to create a push. Hello, world. Oh, I don't want to do that yet. Yes, cancel, and let's do some editing. So what I want to do is change this to be something else. It's just going to be a cat or something. There's like this site or something. Oh gosh, image lorem, image ipsum or something like that. Lorem pixum. Okay, sure. Yeah, we're gonna do this dog. We're gonna do him. And we'll do 200, which I think will give me a square. I'm gonna confirm. Yep, cool. So we'll go ahead and do that. Oh shit. Let's undo that. Man, it would be dope if I knew how to delete everything within the quote and not what I'm doing now. It's cool though. Do that and pop that in there. Come on now, like, fuck, why can't I? Okay, there we go. It's not gonna show me the image. Okay, that's fine. All right, sure, I don't care anymore. Let's make sure that the delivery was confirmed. That's really why I'm doing this. So we should see a message, push notification sent. Okay. All right, and I'm also going to, actually before I do that, I want to confirm that it was sent. Delivered. Okay, click-through rate is 0%. That's right. Sent, confirmed. I'm not getting the confirmed delivery yet. Success received confirmation on the blank. Looks like you're sending iOS but has 0 confirmed deliveries. I wonder if confirmed needs to be like, let's see if I click it. Does that do anything? It definitely isn't. Oh, I'm on the lock screen. Or am I on the lock screen? I don't know how this works. How do I go to the lock screen? That's, oh, there we are, lock. And okay. All right, fine. Delivered, click-through rate. Okay, that gets updated, but confirmed is still not being updated. Also, it doesn't look like this for me. I don't know how to get, I have no idea how to get this to work on a simulator. It only works on my physical device and it pisses me off. All right, let's go back to the subscription and see if we get new information here. Yep, get to clicked. Perfect. Okay. So I think that's going to be it for Flutter. I mean, I'm not done. Like these, I had to get it working and go through all the issues and figure out other issues that people are running into and come up with solutions. But this is working, and this is where I'm going to cut it for Flutter. There is going to be some additional stuff on live activities. We have different styles of live activities, but I need to do that for iOS first, and then I can come in and do it for all of our cross-platform frameworks like React Native, Expo, which is basically React Native. What's the other one? The one I'm looking at, Flutter, and Unity for video game people. You know, people who like to make games. But yeah, I am going to go ahead and call it. I have a meeting in a few minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna go make some tea and prepare for that. If you enjoy this, feel free to give a thumbs up. It does help. You can subscribe for more. You can follow me everywhere. Peace.